My name is Nessy and welcome to Nessy's Healthy Cooking with Salad Master. On this episode, we're going to do something very, very interesting. The team came up with the name potato roll. I hope you love this video. Now the ingredients for our potato roll. Obviously, potatoes, yes. We have here minced chicken, actually chicken breast that has been minced. I have my bell peppers, red, or yellow and green, and one big onion. I have some parsley here, some homemade tomato sauce, 3 eggs, cheese. I'm using 2 types of cheese today, the cheddar cheese and the mozzarella cheese. And of course I have a bit of butter here as well. So we're going to start quickly, and today we are using 2 of the special cooking systems. That's the Bad Boy and the 3-quart. Now if you're new to this, the Bad Boy, I always say that it's half your kitchen. This does everything, I mean every cooking method in the whole world. It can bake, it can fry, it can stew, it can pizza, it can lasagna, it can whatever. This is your go-to piece to have. So I'm going to start using the Bad Boy. Let's get straight to it then. So first of all, we're going to shred or grate the potatoes. And like you know, in Salad Master, generally peeling is an enemy to nutrition. So with Salad Master, we show you how you can cook all your tubers without having to peel any of them. Potato, like any other tuber, you cook it without peeling it. Now, when you look at it, you think I've peeled. I did not peel it. I just give it a good bath. And by giving it a good bath, the peels naturally came off on its own. They look very beautiful, don't they? Yeah. So to help me shred these potatoes, I have my amazing Salad Master food processor here. Once again, your kitchen is still not complete because you don't have this amazing food processor in your kitchen. So I'm going to use cone 2 of my cones to shred or grate the potatoes. Now, there we go. Can you see that? How beautiful is this? How easy, how swagalicious is this? Yeah? It looks beautiful. And I need to show you this. Just see the cuts of cone 2. It's so beautiful. Why wouldn't you want to give me a call so that I can show you how you can get this piece of beauty for free? Today I'm using about 3 large potatoes and 2 small ones. So maybe 4 potatoes in all for the potato rolls. All right, here we go. As you can see, with this machine, in no time, I will finish grating everything. And I'm not going to break a sweat doing it. And this is great exercise for your arm as well. So that's it. Potatoes are all chopped up now. So whatever is left inside the barrel of the cone, I'm just going to bring it out. And we add, one more. Let me add this. Voila. All set to go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to squeeze some juices out of the potatoes. Okay. I'm just going to go in with my hands, and then if there are any juices, I'm just going to make sure, see, at least have a bit of liquid coming out of them. So I'm just going to squeeze this. I'll be right back. So we've got the potato squeeze. You squeeze the moisture and all that out. It's now time to grate our cheese. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm using 2 types of cheese today, the cheddar cheese and the mozzarella cheese. So the total grams for both could be 200 grams. So I'm using about 200 grams, combined, not each. So 200 grams of both cheddar and then mozzarella. All right. That's about 100. Let me add a bit of the mozzarella. Very easy to do. So I will always recommend that when you go cheese shopping, buy the block cheese, another shredded one. Of course, with my machine, you can actually get more when you get the block cheese than when you do the shredded cheese. Bits of the cheddar. All right, good to go. So I'm shredding my onion now with cone 2. All done, all done. Okay. All right. Okay, so now I have cracked all 4 eggs and I'm just gonna pour it onto the potatoes. Okay. I'm adding the cheese. Then the parsley, already chopped. Some ground pepper, black pepper. Okay. Adding a bit of my garlic pepper as well. Then I add a bit of salt. Let me start mixing. Just mix everything together. Okay. Gently mix it all up. Okay, I'm gonna add a bit of the salt now while I stir so that everything can just sit through it all. That should do. That's it. So what we're going to do with this is we are going to bake it. And our bad boy is ready to bake what we are mixing now. All right, now let's get to the bad boy. So bad boy is ready to go, and I have my grease-proof paper nicely placed in there. You understand why I use a grease-proof paper today. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scoop the mixture onto the paper. So make sure all the sides of your skillet or whatever you may be using is covered with the grease-proof paper. So cover all the base of your pan. Okay. This is okay for now. So I'm just gonna set my timer to about 20 minutes. Just cover this. Okay. I'm setting the temperature to about 150. Okay, and then I set the timer to about 20 minutes. In about 20 minutes, everything should have baked nicely, and then we come and then we continue. So while we wait for the potato mixture to bake in the bad boy, we're just gonna do a bit of a small sauce on the side. I have my 3-quart ready. I have just a little bit of butter in there, like a tablespoonful of butter. I'm just gonna pour in my minced chicken. And then I'm going to put it on fire for about 5 minutes for it to marinate beautifully, and then we go add the other ingredients to it. Let's go to the fire. It's been about 5 to 7 minutes, so let's just take a quick look at our minced chicken, which is simmering nicely. Just break it apart. At this point, I'm just going to add my onions, chopped onions. I like the smell in here, so good. So I'm just breaking up the chicken to have it kind of fluffy. It will simmer with the grated onions for about 5 minutes, and then we add the rest of the ingredients. Okay. Mixture. Let's leave it about 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes now, so this is looking good. The onions and the chicken have simmered together beautifully. I'm going to pour in my tomato sauce, the homemade one. And then I add all of the other ingredients, the bell peppers, some spices, everything goes in now. Looks like I missed one. Oh, just be in there. Black pepper. Okay, I'm gonna pour all inside. All of these spices are natural, organic. And then I add a pinch of salt. Let's give it a good stir. I like the pop of color in here. Don't you just love colors in your food? It looks like I have Ghana in my pot. The reds are there, yellow is there, green is there. Maybe I just need a black to make it complete. Oh, black pepper, so hey, I'm sorted. Of course, we're coming to you live from GHTBL Kitchen. This is Nessy's Healthy Cooking with Salad Master. If you're loving us, just give us a call. We're ready to come to your home and then show you how you can maximize the nutrition in the foods you cook every single day with the specialist cooking system, Salad Master. Okay, cover this 5 minutes. That's it. So our potatoes are nicely baked. The sauce is ready. I'm just pouring it to fill the top of it. Spread it beautifully. And then we roll the potatoes. Okay. be very gentle about it. Look at that. Voila, nicely done, nicely rolled. So finally, or the final step is for us to just bake this for about another 10 minutes so that the sauces and then the potatoes will infuse into each other, get the flavors going, and then potato roll done. Let's go bake this. So viewers, everything has come together, the potatoes, and ta-da! Look at that, everything is just soaked inside. Can you see all that, the meat, the veggies? This is a whole meal on its own because it has some protein, it has some carbs, it has some fiber. In fact, balanced diet, this is it. So all you need is a glass of juice next to it. Dinner is served, lunch is served, brunch, whatever you want this to be for you during the time of day. Just try this at home and let us know how everything went for you. This has been Nessy's Healthy Cooking with Salad Master. I am Nessy. I can't wait to come your way next week. See you. Bye-bye.